Hello there everyone, Ashmita this side. Now here presenting to you the questions from the sociology paper of CUET 2022, and here we all know that like MCQ types questions are given, and here we're going to solve some of them. So when government sells its share to several public sector companies, this process is known as what? Here are de-investment, uni-investment, laissez-faire, disinvestment. So our answer would be where is that? Yes, disinvestment. Disinvestment is the answer. Moving over to the next question. The next question that we have in front of us is retail chains are a threat to Indian market because of what? Because they promote the policy of liberalization. They provide more job opportunities. The small local chains or grocery stores will be destroyed, or retail sector is attractive. Which one? See, the retail chains can be seen as a threat to the Indian market because they can potentially lead to the destruction of small local chains or grocery stores that we have already seen in day-to-day life. And this is because the retail chains often have greater resources and economies of scale, which can make it challenging for the smaller businesses to compete effectively. Hence, or rather, however, it's important to note that the impact of retail chains on the Indian market can vary depending on various factors and perspectives. So, yes, our answer would be C. Moving over to the next question. The next question that we have is match the industrial outcomes given in list 1 with the characteristics given in list 2. So in list 1 we get to see industrial outcomes, in list 2 we get to see its characteristics. So yes, list 1 has engineers using a software for drafting, then trade union, silicosis in miners, then we have growth of the IT sector. On the other hand, we have characteristics like occupational hazard, de-skilling of workers, knowledge economy, bargaining power of workers. So over here, we are going to match them. Industrial outcomes from this part, we are going to match. Engineers using a software for drafting, we are going to match it with de-skilling of workers. For trade union, we are going to match it with bargaining power of the workers, because that is why unions are made. Silicosis in miners, we are going to keep it with occupational hazard, because silicosis is the occupational hazard. Next is growth of the IT sector, of course, knowledge economy. So basically we are going with A2, yes, this one. A2, B4, yes, B4, C1 and D3, yes, that's correct. Moving over to the next question. Let's get to see what is the next question. Name the branch of management theory that seeks to increase the productivity and competitiveness through the creation of a unique organizational culture involving all members of a firm. Now over here, we can say that the branch of management theory that seeks to increase the productivity and competitiveness through the creation of a unique organizational culture involving all the members of a firm is said to be the corporate culture. Okay, that's very common nowadays. So yes, that's the answer. Moving over to the next, match the following question. Here again we have to match list 1, that means here we have industrial outcomes, and list 2 we have characteristics. So here again we have to match the correct options with each other. Now globalization, it can be matched with growing interdependence between people, regions and countries. That is what we can see nowadays. It's a global village nowadays, the entire planet. Second one says electric economy. Electric economy means economic globalization. Thirdly, liberalization. It means the steady removal of the rules that regulates the Indian trade and finance regulations. Then we have the cellular telephone, and this means growth in the usage of cell phones. So yes, So yes, our answer includes A2, then we have B1, then we have C4, then we have D3. Yes, that is our answer. Let's move over to the next question. The next question that we have is in 1957, All India Radio acquired hugely popular channel which grew to become a money spinning channel for air. The name of the channel was, here Hum Log know, Vivid Bharati, yes, Doordarshan no, and Bunyad also no. So Vivid Bharati is our correct answer. Moving over to the next question. We are going to cover from the next question in the next classes. So if you want to follow the solutions, do come over to the channel once again and do follow us so that you can get to know the solutions of all the questions from these question papers. So this was the question paper of the CUET Sociology 2022 question papers, and yes, if you want to solve questions like this with us, do follow our channel and join our classes for any kind of entrance exam preparation that you are doing, and you can have the expert guidance from our teachers. So yes, that's it for today's class. Do check the description box so that you can get all the details about our classes. Thank you for being with me till the end.